Pag sinabi ko sa'yo na I have here a very rare and yet very valuable Omega from 1965 pa. It's already different from I have my Omega here from 1965 pa worth 2 million. Magkaiba yun. First, what I did was tell you that this is an attainable thing. Here in my wrist is an Omega 1965 Speedmaster worth 2 million pesos. Versus, I have here my Omega Speedmaster worth 2 million pesos. Pag sinabi kong pag sinabi kong ako, I'm focusing too much on me telling people what I have. People don't like to hear what you have. They can see what you have. People like to see what they could also have in the future, which is in a form of aspiration. Parang, oo nga, may ganun din, magkakaganyan din ako. Diba? Tapos, haluan mo pa in the end na, actually, totoo lang, dati walang-wala ako, dinidream ko lang to eh. Biglang ngayon, meron na ako, I can't believe it.
Grabe.